Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find the transaction ID on PayPal. Whether you need it for support, refunds, or tracking, it's super easy. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to paypal.com or open the PayPal app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Click or tap on the Activity tab at the top menu. This shows your full history of payments and receipts. Step 3. Scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the specific payment you're looking for. Click on the transaction to view its details. Step 4. Once inside the transaction details, scroll down. You'll see a long transaction ID listed, usually under the payment summary or at the bottom. Bonus tip. You can copy the transaction ID and paste it into an email or support form for faster resolution with PayPal or the seller. And that's how easy it is to find your PayPal transaction ID. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!